Hello everyone! In this video we will explore the topic of the stock management. Stock management happens in the website builder itself. To enable it, let's toggle it on in the right panel, specifically in the settings section. We will also enable stock amount display and set up the low stock notifications here. You can input a specific quantity here, and when the product reaches that quantity, you will be notified via email you have set up for notifications. Let's edit our products. The SKUs and stock are controlled in the Variants tab for the items with variants. Here, enter an SKU for each product and enter the available quantity. Keep in mind, SKUs need to be unique. Now, let's repeat this for another product with variants. For regular products, SKU and quantity are entered on the right side of the product listing. Everything is entered now. Let's click Apply to save. In preview mode, let's check out our products and their variants to ensure that stock and SKUs are displayed correctly. Everything is just great. This finishes our tutorial on stock management. In the next video, we will cover invoices and payment methods.